Here we are again with another quick rim cylinder. This one's a dimple 6-pinner and it's a Latham hardware brand lock. Got off eBay, and we're just gonna use one of these cheap thunder rakes. See if we can get it to randomly jiggle open. Let's just shove it in that way. There we go. Isn't too difficult, that one. Lock it back up again. Just cheap rim cylinders. It just to me, it just opens your eyes on how little security some of the locks you can get off the internet or even in hardware shops. So well, that's the Latham brand 6-pin rim cylinder. Again, I wouldn't really rely on it for much security. There we go. Thank you very much.